In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down to click on Notifications and Quick Settings. Then scroll again and click on Manage All right next to App Notifications over here. Finally, by tapping on blue switchers next to your apps, you can block all notifications from them, and by tapping on gray ones, you can switch them back on. You can also filter your apps by selecting Recent over here and tapping on one of those options. If you wish to, you can also go back, find the chosen app over here and click on it. Then manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!